Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again and hope you all are doing well and staying safe. In today's video, we are making gizzard vegetable stew and we all love gizzard a lot. So let's go and check on our ingredients. I have my blended tomatoes over here. I also have my ginger garlic onion blended, my blended Shito. I also have my diced onion, my tomato paste I'll be using, my oil, and also the gizzard I'll be using for my stew, some spices, and also my chopped vegetables and salt to taste. So let's not waste time and let's go and make this delicious stew. So I'm going to start by cutting my gizzard into smaller size. Then after that I will also add my onion, some of my blended garlic, and also my blended pepper. I'm going to add some curry powder and also some shrimp cube, salt to taste, and I will mix them together before putting it on the fire for 30 minutes. So my gizzard is ready and well cooked, so I will start with the frying process. After some minutes in the oil, my gizzard is now golden brown, so I will take it off, and I can tell you this is the most tempting part of all. I have already chewed some, so I just have to hold myself in order to continue. So this is what I have after everything. I'll just start with my stew. I'm going to use the same oil I used for my frying. I'll be using it for the stew. It has heated and I've added my onion into it. So I will let it fry for some minutes before adding my tomato paste to it. My tomato paste has been frying for some minutes now, so I'm now going to add my blended tomatoes, and also I will add my sankofa seasoning and also add the rest of my blended garlic and ginger and also my blended pepper to it. So this will be on the fire for additional minute before adding the rest of the ingredients to it. After 15 minutes, I'm now going to add my stock, and also I will add my shrimp cube to it. I'll let it be on the fire for some more minutes before adding the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to add just a pinch of salt because I'm not a fan of salt, and also I'll add my spices, that's my curry, my nutmeg, and also add some white pepper to the stew, and I will leave it on the fire for some minutes before adding my gizzard meat. After 10 minutes, I'm now going to add my gizzard meat to the stew, and also I will add some habanero pepper for more flavor. So this will be on the fire for some minutes before adding my veggies to the stew. With my veggies in the stew, my stew is ready, and I'm going to serve this with my curry rice. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are new here, you are welcome. And like, share these videos to your friends, and also comment. To my old returning subscribers, I say thank you very much for always taking your precious time to watch every video I post. I really do appreciate it. So I come your way. See you in my next video.